Welcome to DJ's Prestige and Sports. We've just acquired this lovely Nissan X-Trail, fully loaded, front park distance control, finished in lovely grey metallic. We've got diamond cut alloy wheels, privacy glass to the rear, got rear park distance control and a reverse camera, electric tailgate, boot area's in lovely condition, seats are in excellent condition, got an electric panoramic roof, electric windows, electric mirrors, cruise control, done 86,992 miles. Just start the car up. There you go, cruise control, multifunction steering wheel, satellite navigation, reverse camera, climate control, AUX, USB, 6-speed gearbox. It's got everything. It really is in nice condition. DJH for full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please just call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.